Hi, you were standing in the middle of the driveway kind of as a safety hazard and recording people coming in and out. And it's still
Can you stop recording us? Is there something we can help you with or no? Okay. Okay. Just make sure we just, make sure you stay on off the company property, okay? Thank you.
And don't pose a safety hazard standing in the middle
people driving in and out of the
driveway.
property, okay?
So you're not on our please don't go on the private property, but make sure you're not in the driveway because you're in the way of our vehicles coming in and out from a safety purpose. Can you confirm you understand what I said?
All we're asking is that you just don't block the driveway for our employees. So if you could just not block the driveway.
Yeah, you can go on this side or this side, but not in the middle of the driveway.
I'm not blocking anyone from coming in or out. I haven't blocked anyone from coming in or out.
What it's doing by standing in front of the driveway, just making our associates nervous. We're getting a lot of phone calls from our associates about an unusual situation standing in front of our driveway. So it's making our associates really nervous.
Guys, I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm sorry. Sorry they feel nervous, but...
Yeah, no, and so just know that 8 o'clock is a time where people come in and out, and this is actually our emergency evacuation spot as well. So from a safety purposes, it would be great for you not to be in the driveway.
If any cars try to come in or out, I'll move. Like I've been doing. I don't want to get hit by a car.
Well, yeah, you're safety
I'm an adult, I know I don't want to get hit by a car, so...
Yeah, we're just concerned for our associates being concerned is making us concerned. So just from a safety standpoint, if you could please, we're only asking for you to move just 10, 15 feet back. That's it, okay? That'd be very helpful for us.
If any cars come, I'll move.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Getting a lot of phone calls. Again, they have 3 units out here. Ridiculous.
Hi, sir. Can I ask what you're filming?
Yeah, everything.
Okay, can I ask what you're filming for?
No, I can't discuss it.
Okay, I'm the security officer for this private property that you're filming. Can I ask that you stop filming the private property?
You can ask if you want.
Okay, thank you.
Calling the cops?
You in the sweater. Yep.
Excuse me, boss.
No,
What got going on there, Chief?
Gilbert, it's fine. It's been dealt with.
Calm down, Gilbert.
How you doing, man?
It's been dealt with, thank you.
That's all right. Still got to introduce myself. Morning.
Is everyone done making a big deal out of nothing, or?
Morning.
Stop being paranoid, everyone. It's America. We can take pictures if we want. United States, everyone. This is freedom.